Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to download Python, install it properly, easily. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Python. Search here Python. This is the official website of the Python. And click on this download the latest version. And click on this download Python. From here you can see the Python file is downloaded almost. Now double click on this to run this one. Click on run, then install now. And here is the main point everyone is missing. Just check this box. Add python.extension to path. Then click on install now. It is installing. You can see here. Setup was successful, so just close this one. And now we need to check the Python is installed correctly or not. So for that, we should open command prompt. In here search bar, just type command prompt. And here you can see it is came here. Open this one. Here type Python version. Python version. Here you can see Python 3.14.1. It is the Python version. And also you should check the pip version. And it is the location where Python is correctly installed. So as I mentioned, after installing the Python, we will connect that Python with VS Code. So just open VS Code. If you did not have VS Code app installed, you can check my another video in my channel. So let's open VS Code. Here you can. It is the extensions. Click on that extension and search here Python. Python extensions will open here. So from here it is the Python main Python. So click on this and click install. All the Python related extensions will download. Control Shift plus P. And it is search for Python select interpreter. Python. Here we got the suggestion. Click on this one. Choose the Python version you installed. Look for Python 3.14. I think 3.14 we have. So click on this one. After choosing the correct Python version, this makes sure VS Code uses the correct Python path. Now click files. This one file. Click file, new file, and save it as hello.php. hello.py Python extension. So save in any folder where you are comfortable with. I am creating here hello.py. Now the code is started. So let's print. Here it is the run button on Python file. Here you can see the Python output. Hello Python from VS Code. If you want, you can also change here. Hi friends. Sorry. The medium. again control save. Again here you see the output high. Well, now the entire installation and setup Python connection with VS Code is completed. Thanks for watching, friends. If you have any doubts, comment below. I will reply. Definitely I will reply. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. See you in the next one, friends. Bye.